Hey YouTube! A couple weeks ago I ran a few live streams of me fabricating a driveway gate, and here we are installing it. The cell reception here was very low, so I couldn't run a live stream. We came on and rented some equipment and had to auger 4-foot deep holes through very rocky ground. It took a very long time, even with this hydraulic driven auger. We brought in concrete, generator, cement mixer, and braced up our gate and then our posts and put in lots of concrete, 11 bags per post. Very solid anchoring system. And then I was wrapping up a gate job, and then Spectre arrived with a level. Oh my gosh, he's gonna check everything. Better be nice to me, sir. I tried my best. I really did. Good job, good helper. Okay, it's getting serious. He's got his gloves on. Oh my goodness, he's gonna get all the things done. Good job, buddy, good job. Yeah? Okay. Those are nice gloves. Well, the gate failed its first wildlife test. We have an intruder. He said outside, and crawled underneath the gate. And here we have the final product, a double swinging and locking driveway gate for this private subdivision in Palmer, Alaska. Thank you for watching, for your support, and for your subscription. Follow along for our next build. Have a great day.